I spilled coffee on my shirt this morning and I don't know what to do.
Here I am, stain remover spray to the rescue! That's why I thought it'd be important to make up a stain remover that works with natural ingredients, because I don't want to be spraying nasty stuff on my clothes. To make this recipe, you will want to grab your recipe card and labels, because you'll want to know what's in your spray bottle. You'll also grab a spray bottle, and the oils that we are going to use for this is tea tree essential oil, because this is a good cleaner and it can help brighten your clothes as well.
And from your kitchen, you're gonna wanna grab 3 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide and some liquid Castile soap.
We're gonna be using 1.5 tablespoons. If you are a Recipe Box subscriber, this is a great thing to add to your box this month. You can also use dish soap. Let's get started.
All right, so first we're gonna add our Castile soap.
Now we're gonna add 20 drops of tea tree essential oil. And we're gonna swirl to mix that, because essential oils will mix with soap and you'll notice it gets a little bit cloudier.
And the last ingredient is the hydrogen peroxide.
All right, so we're just gonna add our spray cap. This is a PET spray bottle, which means it is safe to use with essential oils. So once you use this recipe, feel free to make it again or reuse this spray bottle. Don't forget to label it, and you're ready to go. Just apply it to your clothes before you put them in the washer. If it's a really big stain or a stain that's really in there, you can take this and scrub it with a scrubber, and even add some baking soda to really get at that stain before putting it in your load of wash. For a large stain, you can fill a bucket with warm water and add this whole mixture into it to let your laundry soak before putting it in the wash.
For more recipes just like this, go to simplyearth.com/box and hit that subscribe now button.
This month with our box, you'll learn how to use essential oils and natural ingredients to take care of laundry. So subscribe to the box, because you're gonna love it.
Thanks for watching. That worked fast.